Hi guys, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a unboxing video. So I received these products complimentary from Influencer for testing purpose. I have already seen what's inside, but I haven't tested out any of it because I wanted to do this first impression video. There are 4 items in this VoxBox I will be sharing with you guys. The first thing is the blush from KAJA. Is it called KAJA? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that one right. Let me see. KAJA. Shoot, it's not even a word. I think it's called KAJA. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But this is a blush. It's called Cheeky Stamp. KAJA's innovative Cheeky Stamp blushes includes a heart-shaped sponge plus cushion formula for perfectly precise application and a buildable multi-dimensional flush. This is super cute. KAJA, and it has a heart shape. The design is very unique. It looks like it has 3 layers, and you roll it out the first layer like this, and boom, there's a heart-shaped stamp. That's why there's a heart here. And you open it up like this, where you can stamp it and just put it on your face. Let me peel this off real quick. Ooh, look, it bounces. It has like springs and oh, this is too much. And I guess you put it on your face. That's cute. I like to put, so my battery just died. I had to go change the battery real quick. Hope this is not dried out to blend. It's pretty easy to blend. I like the color too. Yep, it is super easy to blend. And I really like the color. It's warm. So let's try it on my nose. I like to put a little bit of blush on my nose bridge over here just to be a little bit more cohesive. Or I don't know. I just like the look. Just a little bit. I like it a lot. To me, this is super cute and fun, because I have never seen a blush like this. It reminds me of my childhood. So the next thing in this box is the TATCHA. Oh, I forgot to mention. This is retail for $24. I love it. This is so cute. This is probably my new favorite blush. This video is not sponsored, so they send me the stuff so I can review it and I can just be very honest. I don't have to pretend like I like the items if I don't. So yeah, the next item is the TATCHA Camellia Gold Spun Lip Balm. You guys, if you guys don't know what Camellia is, it's a flower and it smells so good. I actually have a camellia tree. I don't know if you call it a tree, but I actually have camellia in my backyard. The one in my backyard are white. So yeah, I'm so excited for this scent because I already know I'm gonna love it. Just because I love camellia. So I open up like this. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so it's so pretty. It has this beautiful gold packaging and it smells so good. Honestly, it doesn't really smell like the flower in my backyard, but it still smells really good and fresh. And I don't know if you can see, but it has like this gold flake. So I just removed my lipstick. Let's try on. It feels very moisturizing, and I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. Sometimes with certain lip balm, it just feels like there's a thick layer on my lips and it's not absorbing. But this one, I've already applied many layers on my lips just because I wanted to try, and it still feels comfortable. Like, it feels light on your lips, and if you don't do like this, you wouldn't even know like there's something on your lips. That's what I really like about this fancy packaging. So this is retail for $30. It is kind of pricey for a lip balm. An intensely hydrating lip balm rich in Camellia oil that absorbs quickly. So I was right. It doesn't feel heavy and feels nice, leaving lips soft and touchable. It is touchable. It's not sticky or anything, with a shimmery hint of 23 karat gold. Oh my god, so it's actually, there is actual gold in the ingredients. I'm not sure what the purpose is, but it makes me feel like I think it's pretty and fancy. So the next item in the box is from the brand Aveda. Aveda's new cherry almond shampoo and conditioner leave your hair touchable, soft, shiny, and full of weightless bounce. Its sweet aroma is 100% naturally derived. That's good. I mean, with the hair products, I'm always looking forward to use something that's more natural because there's too much chemical in the hair products, like whether it's shampoo or conditioner. For shampoo, I always like to pick the one that has like clear base. So it's not like shiny, because I heard that if it's shiny, it's just not that good for your hair. So this is how they look. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. Let me smell it. Smells very fresh and just very gentle. It doesn't have a strong scent, which is good because my mom told me anything that smells too good, it's more likely to be chemical. Smells like lotion. The shampoo smells like almond. It says cherry almond, but I don't know if I smell the cherry part, but I definitely smell the almond part. Retail for $18. It's $9 each. But they're so tiny. I will have to try these out tonight so I get the feeling like how it feels after washing my hair and stuff like that. I will get back to you guys about these. So the last item from this box is from BIOEFFECT. BIOEFFECT EGF Serum is a groundbreaking anti-aging serum that derives visible, dramatic improvements to the skin. What is EGF? EGF stands for Epidermal Growth Factor. Restore your skin's youthful radiance, minimize signs of aging, and rejuvenate the skin's complexion. It also reduces appearance of sun damage, fine lines, and wrinkles. Ever since I moved to Florida, I got a lot of sunspots underneath my eye area, like right here, and on my nose and right here, and I really don't like it. So maybe this can reduce it. I'm excited to try this. Apply 2 to 4 drops to face, the eye area, and neck every evening on clean skin. I feel like this is something that I will have to use it for a while in order to know if it's working. This is how it looks when I open it. Look how tiny this is. This is retail for sample retail value $32, and for the full size product is $160. That's kind of expensive. I'm gonna go remove my makeup and to test this out just for the sake of this video. But honestly, this kind of product, I would have to use it for a period of time in order to know if I see a difference at all. So yeah, see you in a little bit. I don't want to remove my eye makeup because I might go out tonight. Let's test this out. Do I just like apply it on my face directly? I'm not sure. 2 to 4 drops. 2 to 4 drops. I'm scared. Okay, I'm not sure what I was thinking, but I'm sure you can just drip it onto your fingertips. It feels very smooth. Doesn't smell like anything, and it definitely feels very moisturizing. Silver thing back on. I think that's how you close it, to lock it. I do feel like something is on my face. It's not too bad, but I feel like most of the serums are like this, kind of like thick on your face. So yeah, for this one, I can only tell you my first impression, but as far as the changes, I might have to use it for a while in order to see. I feel like the side of my face where I applied the product does look shinier. I don't know. Alright guys, that's all of the items that I received from VoxBox. And I hope you enjoyed the video. You do not have to purchase anything that I mentioned. This is not sponsored. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions regarding the products. I'll be happy to answer. And I want to thank Influenster for sending me the products to review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Yeah, I will see you in the next one.